Hello children, in the last class you learnt about the angle sum property of a triangle. That is, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In this session, let us do problems related to this property. That is exercise number 6.3. Okay children? Exercise 6.3, question number 1. Find the value of the unknown in the following diagrams. Okay, first one. Here we have triangle ABC and measurement of B is 50 degree, measurement of C is 60 degree and measurement of angle A is X. We have to find this value X. Okay, so we can write as solution in triangle ABC, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, all the three angles in triangles, adding them we get 180 degree. This is angle sum property of a triangle. Then you know angle A letter is given X and angle B measurement is 50 degree. Okay, and angle C measurement is 60 degree. So we are substituting the values is equal to 180 degree. Now you know 50 degree and 60 degree adding time 110 degree. So we can write X plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. And therefore X equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Okay children? And figure number 2. Here we have a triangle PQR and angle P. What is the measurement of angle P? The simple tells it is 90 degree. Even if it is not written, you should understand that it is 90 degree. And angle Q is given as 30 degree and measurement of angle R is not given. It is written as X. Okay, we have to find this measurement. So we can write here also all the three angles, adding them we get 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. So the solution we can write the step as in triangle PQR, angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degree. And measure of angle P is 90 degree plus measure of angle Q is equal to 30 degree plus measure of R is equal to X degree. Okay, is equal to total adding time 180 degree. And 90 degree plus 30 degree you get 120 degree. 120 degree plus X equal to 180 degree. Therefore X is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Here it is added, so we have to subtraction 2 on the left side. So subtracting time we get 60 degree. Okay children? Now question number 3. In the third figure we have X is given as 30 degree and angle Y, its measurement is 110 degree and angle Z, its measurement is X. So we have to find this value. So here also we will find the angle sum property of a triangle. So measure of X plus measure of Y plus measure of Z is equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property of a triangle. And you know X is equal to 30 degree and Y is equal to 110 degree and Z is equal to X. So we substitute the values and altogether we get 180 degree. Now 30 degree and 110 degree adding time we get 140 degree. So we can write X plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore X is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. It is equal to 40 degree. Okay children? Now question number 4. In the fourth figure, see we have name of the triangle is not given. Only measurements of angles are given. Here this angle is 50 degree and the other two angles are of equal measurement X. Okay, so we can write as in the figure X plus 50 degree, all the three angles is equal to 180 degree. We are using the angle sum property of a triangle. X plus X, children, what is it? X plus X is 2X. 2X plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. And now 2X is equal to 180 degree. Here it is plus 50. So taking to the left side it becomes minus 50. 180 degree minus 150 degree is equal to 130 degree. Therefore X equal to 130 degree divided by 2. Here 2 into X is equal to 130 degree. So X equal to 130 degree divided by 2. Here it is multiplied by 2. So on the left side going time, it will become divided by 2. And dividing time, we get 65 degrees. So the value of x is 65 degree. Here also we get 65 degree. So 65 degree plus 65 degree plus 50 degree, we get 180 degree. So we can say, we can be sure that our answer is correct. Okay, children. Figure number 5. Here in the figure, name of the triangle is not given. Only measurements are given. Here each angle is x degree, x degree, x degree, x, x, x. So you know children, x plus x plus x, all the three angles adding time you get 180 degree. That is angle sum property of a triangle. And x plus x plus x, what is it? It is 3x. 3x equal to 180 degree. That is 3 multiplied by x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to, here it is multiplied, so we have to do division on the left side. 180 degree divided by 3. This is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now in the sixth figure, we have the three angles. See what are the measurements. Here it is 2x, here x, here not written, but here we have the square symbol. So square symbol says it is 90 degree. So here 2x, x, 90 degree. So all the three angles adding time we get 180 degree. That is angle sum property of a triangle. 2x plus x plus 90, it is equal to 180 degree. And x plus 2x, x means 1x. 1x and 2x adding time you get 3x. 3x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3x equal to 180 degree. Here plus 90 we have, so we have to do minus 90. 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree divided by 3 is equal to 30 degree. Okay children, here it is 3x means 3 into x. 3 into x equal to 90. So x equal to, we have to do division by 3. 90 divided by 3 is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So adding time we get all the three angles. Here it is 30 degree. Here 2x. 2x means 2 into 30, 60 degree. So 60 plus 30, it is 90 degree. That 90 plus, here we have 90. 90 plus 90, we get 180 degree. So we can be sure that our answer is correct. Is x is equal to 30 degree. Okay children. Question number 2. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the following diagrams. Here we have again 6 questions. First question, see figure. In this triangle, we have here x, measurement of this in triangle is y, and here it is 50 degree. And here this is the exterior angle and it is given as 120 degree. And you have learnt exterior angles measurement is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Opposite interior angles. These are the opposite interior angles, x and 50 degree. So here we can write, for finding x, we can write the step as in the figure 50 plus x equal to 120 degree. Exterior angle is equal to remote interior angle sum x plus 50 degree. Therefore x equal to 120 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 70 degree. Okay children. And now you know this y and 120 degree, they make a linear pair. These two angles have the common arm and the remaining arms are like a line. So these two angles we say linear pair. And linear pair give us a sum of 180 degree. Okay. So y plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Understood? Now figure number 2. Here in figure number 2, see here this angle is 50 degree. The measurement of this angle is x and here it is y. So we have to find x and y. Children, look at this figure and you can understand this y and 80 degree. These are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so the measurement of y is equal to 80 degree. So we are writing that first. Okay, in the figure y is equal to 80 degrees. Why? They are vertically opposite angles. Then we can write all the inter angles. We get a sum of 180 degree. That is angle sum property of a triangle. So we can write x plus y plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. And here x value we don't know, so we are writing x plus y. Y we got just now as 80 degree, so we are substituting that value 80 degree here, plus third angle is 50 degree, that we copy here 50 degree. So x plus 80 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we get x plus 80 degree and 50 degree, adding time we get 130 degree. X plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree is equal to 50 degree. Okay children. So we got x as 50 degree and y as 80 degree. So we can check the answer. Here we got x as 50 and y as 80. 50 plus 80, 130. 130 plus, here we have 50 already. So 130 plus 50 degree is 180 degree. So the triangle measurement, we get a sum of 180 degree. So our answer is correct. Okay children. Question number 3. Here in the figure, we have x here, x triangle, and here inside angle, inter-angle is y. These two we have to find out in the figure. Other two inter-angles are given as 50 degree and 60 degree. How can we find x? So we can think of the x triangle property of a triangle. So here children, x is equal to 50 degree plus 60 degree. X triangle is the sum of opposite interior angles. Opposite interior angles are 50 degree and 60 degree. Adding time we get x. So it is equal to 110 degree. Now we know 50 degree. Here see x and y, they make a linear pair. Okay. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. They make linear pair. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree, because we know x is equal to 110 degree. Okay children. Now so x is equal to 110 degree and y is equal to 70 degree. And see here 70 plus 50, 120. 120 plus 60, 180. This triangle sum is 180 we are getting. So answer is correct. Now question, figure number 4. Here we have to find x value, y value. Okay, measurements, one inter angle is given as 30 degree and one outside angle is given. This is vertically opposite angle of x. So we can, from the figure we can see x and 60 degree are vertically opposite angle. So the measurement of x is also 60 degree. So we write it first in the step. Okay, in the figure x is equal to 60 degree. That is vertically opposite angle. X and 60 degree are vertically opposite angles. Now children, we can use the angle sum property of triangle. X plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. And x we have got as 60 degree. So we substitute the value in the next line, plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x 60 degree and 30 degree, adding time we get 90 degree. 90 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y is equal to, here 90 degrees added with y. So we have to subtract 90 degree from 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So in this question we got x as 60 degree and y as 90 degree. So add the values and see whether you are getting 180 or not. X equal to 60 degree, y equal to 90. So 60 plus 90, 150. 150 plus 30, 180. So our answers are correct. Okay children. In question number 5, we have all the triangles unknown. X, these two are of equal measure, and y is also not knowing, and you know y and 90 degree, they are vertically opposite angles. So we write it first in the step. In the figure y is equal to 90 degree. They are vertically opposite angles. So we got the measurement of y as 90 degree. Now we can use the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so we can write as x plus y plus x equal to 180 degree. And x plus x, you know, 2x. Okay. And here y measurement is given as 90. So we are doing first substitution. X plus y is 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. And this 2x, x plus x is equal to 2x. 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180. Therefore, 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. Here 90 degree is added, so we have to subtract on the left side. Okay, transposing time. So subtracting time we get 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degree divided by 2 is equal to 45 degree. Here 2x means 2 multiplied by x. 2x is equal to 90 degree. So for finding x we have to divide by 2. Okay children. So we get x is equal to 45 degree and y is equal to 90 degree. So let us check the answer. X 45. 45, 45. So it is adding time we get 90 degree. 90 plus y is already 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180. Okay. So all the three angles sum we are getting as 180 degree. So our answer is correct. Now figure number 6. See the figure here. Here we do not have any measurement. All are like unknowns. Here this is x and y. They are vertically opposite angles. X and y are vertically opposite angles. So their measurements are same. X is equal to y. If x is 30 degree, y is also 30 degree. If x is 60 degree, y is also 60 degree. Okay. And here another vertical, here x and this interior, they are opposite, vertically opposite angles. Here also given x. So if x is the one angle, then this interior angle will be what? Y. It is same only like this. Okay. Here x is one vertically opposite angle. So the other vertically opposite angle is also y. Here because here we have given x and y are equal. They are vertically opposite angles. So here we get y. Here also y. All the interior angles are equal to y. Okay, because they are vertically opposite angle of the angle x. So we get inside angle all the three angles as y. Okay, so we can write in the step as in the figure x equal to y because they are vertically opposite angles. And from the figure we can also write all interior angles are equal and each one is equal to y. So here we have y, y, y. So we can use the other property. What is the property? Angle sum property of a triangle. Y plus y is equal to 180 degree. So adding time we get 3y. 3y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 degree divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. So we get x as 60 degree and y is also 60 degree because in our figure x and y are equal measurement because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay children, I think you understood how to solve these questions, right?